In this Buzzpress review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to create viral done-for-you websites that are already monetized with JVZoo, Warriorplus, and even AdSense so that you can profit from it without actually having to create any content yourself. On top of that, if you stick around until the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you all the different upgrades that you're going to be offered so that you'll know exactly what you're getting into so that you can make the best decision for your business. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer, and I do these reviews every single day so that you can make better decisions on software and online courses for you and your business. And make sure that you hit that like button below along with the subscribe and bell notification so that you can get notified of all the best products coming out with reviews, bonuses, discounts, and more. And if at any time during this review you actually want to check out the product, you can click the link below and go right over to the sales page. Before we take a look at this product, let's take a look at my bonuses first. So if you pick up Buzzpress through my link, you're going to get access to all of these bonuses right inside of Warriorplus where you access your purchase. So the first one here is Solo Ad Secrets. This is a full course on how to actually make money with solo ads. The next one is Smart CPA Offers, how to actually get free traffic with CPA offers. The next one here is I'm going to give you 40 cheap traffic sources so you can start using them today to get cheap traffic to your actual Buzzpress website. The next one here is I'm going to give you access to my award-winning affiliate income secrets course with reseller rights, and you're going to get how to make money on YouTube case studies, a series of 7 trainings on 5 successful YouTubers. Also, you're going to get how to make money on Flippa, and you're going to get atomic list building software. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page together here. So it says here, Buzzpress, beginner friendly, 100% done for you, breakthrough cloud, software as a service, builds fully monetized, done for you viral sites. They say here makes easily $1,000 a day on autopilot, working for day after day. Of course, it's internet marketing hype going on here, but they are fully monetized, done for you viral sites. Build a new Buzzpress cloud builder, e-com store and affiliate store built in, unlimited free hosting, so it has hosting included, no monthly fees, ClickBank offers, JVZoo, Warriorplus. You can put AdSense on it. You can put it up on your own domain if you want to. Here's a little bit of how it works. 3 simple steps. You use their content scheduler to outline your site. You can schedule it out, your categories, what you want to show on your site. You have control over that. Then with just a click, you can go and schedule out your different articles, and then your sites are ready to go here. Here's some results that they're saying people have gotten, 17,000 with Warriorplus. Here's a Google AdSense proof that they have here. Let's see here. Go down here. Here's some more revenue proof that they have here that they're saying is from the product, from flipping websites, viral. Okay, so here's viral websites. We all know places like BuzzFeed, Bravo Nova. These places have viral traffic. Here's some more proof that they have here from this. They say, okay, if you want to do it manually, you have to buy the hosting, the done for you template, the tech setup, the manual posting, manual content. It would cost $4,500 plus $97 a month for that, and they do this all done for you with this. So essentially, when it comes down to it, it is a done for you viral site builder that has monetization built into it with affiliate marketing, with AdSense, with e-com sales, with Amazon. You can build your list with it. You can flip the sites. And again, here's the planner, the content dashboard where you can just edit, you can post, and you can have an optional step to spin it, and they have your calendar all set up, and then this is what your sites look like. I'm going to show you an actual site in a minute. You can put on fake counters, so you can make it look like, if you want to make it look like it's more popular than it is in the beginning. If you want to do that, it's up to you. Reactions, easy social shares, social comment integration. You can get on the hottest trends. You can track everything, Patreon, SSL, voting, polls, tons of stuff here. Photo mix and translations in here as well. Cool, okay. So yeah, they've got all that included there on a low front end product here. It's going to be really, really inexpensive, especially if you get it during the launch deal here. So really cheap if you want to get during the launch period. Now, before I actually show you a site, I wanted to show you the kind of the back end area here for your going to get if you purchase. You have the backend area here. This is where you get your store builder, and you set up all your different affiliate links that you're going to be putting in there. So you need to apply for those. They've got training on how to do everything back here as well. You can access all your bonuses and access everything here inside of the backend. So that's that. Let's take a look at an actual site here. So this is a site that it's made. This is what this is the meat here, right? This is what you want to see. So this is what an actual site looks like built with this. You can see this is the home page here. You've got opt-in forms. They've got different, you can have your different content here. Let's take a look at some of the content and see what it looks like. So this is a good luck passing this Beatles trivia quiz here. So it has this come up, it has different content in here, it has different monetization in here with it, different content, and yeah, looks good. They've got opt-in forms that are popping up here. I like this. It's clean. Looks good. Looks like a viral website, and it's got monetization all set up in it. See if we click one of these things here, and it's kind of crowded here. But the idea is that it's crowded so that you'll click on one of these. That you'll actually click on one of the links here, on one of the monetization links to actually make some money with this. Here's an affiliate link for videos. Cool. So that's what it creates with it. And that's the front end offer. So the front end offer, it will create all these different sites. It will create these sites for you, and it's really inexpensive for this. And it will give you the software, the affiliate stores built in, free hosting with it. So that's there you go. Free, obviously, tutorials, set up your own domain, all included on the front end there. So that's that. Let's move on to the OTOs, because of course we all know that if it's a low price on the front end, they've got to have a bunch of OTOs as well, right? So here's the first one. So the first one here is you can upgrade and start flooding your sites with social media traffic here. So this is all about traffic. Adds in 13 social media sites. You can rank your sites higher with social signals. Fresh and engaging content, automatically post content for you. All right, so this is automatically sharing out to social there. So if you want to get that, this is the first upgrade that you can get there. So this is the first one. The next one here, unlimited viral sites. Join the club, and you get done for you sites, more done for you sites every month. So if you want your sites all done for you, you don't want to even have to think about any of it, you can get the done for you upgrade here. So this is a done for you version of this. You build unlimited sites with this, and it'll give you unlimited those sites every month. Then they have a scraper here, so this will go and actually get more content for you, collect and publish the different content for you. No learning curve, grab and post, any browsers, import everything, easy to use, spinner rewriter. So this is just going to give you more content. Next one here is a store. So this gives you looks like it's an Amazon store here with this. So this just gives you more ways of monetization. And then the last one is reseller rights with this. So they have a bunch of different upgrades that they're going to offer you. Again, you don't feel like you have to get all the upgrades. I mean, it's like when you go to McDonald's and they ask you if you want fries with that. You don't have to get fries if you don't want to get fries with it, right? So you can pick and choose what you want to get with this, and move and get what you want and pass on what you don't want. Okay, so what do I think about Buzzpress? If I had to say something I don't like about it, I think the sales page is really hypey. Like, make $1,000 a day on autopilot, working day after day. It's internet marketing language. I don't think you're gonna make $1,000 a day from this. It's hypey. This income proof here, it's got a ton of proof here. I think it's selling the dream a little bit too much. And like $48,000 from using these sites, I highly doubt that people are making that amount of money with these sites here. It's a lot of screenshots here, but we see these screenshots all the time. That being said, what do I like about this? Posting viral content and repurposing viral content online is a proven method. Websites like BuzzFeed use this all the time, and that's why products like this do so well. If you're gonna do this, if you're gonna take action with this, set up your sites, pick a specific niche. Don't try to put everything in the world on there. Pick a specific niche. You could go into make money online. That's a perfect niche. There's lots of money in there. There's lots of offers that you can promote with that. go into something like that and make a specific site about that niche. And you're going to get more traffic from that if you do that. Viral content, the reason why viral content works is because if you post viral content on social media, it's already proven to go viral, meaning that if you post it as well, if you repurpose that content, and of course you're going to want to give credit where credit is due, you want to link out to those people and do all that if you want to be a good person, but that content is already proven to go viral. So when you share it out there, it only means that you're going to get traction on it. And it builds up over time. So it's not something that's going to happen overnight. You're not going to make $1,000 a day on autopilot overnight with this. However, it's a good product. It's a good service. It's a good concept. If this is something that excites you, then definitely pick this up. Thank you so much for checking out my Buzzpress review today. If you are interested in picking this up and you want to get through my link, you're going to get all my special bonuses, my solo ad secrets, you're going to get reseller rights to my affiliate income secrets course, all the extra bonuses on my bonus page. You can click the link right here and check it out, or the link below and check that out as well. And if you like this video, you go ahead and like that below. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And subscribe, hit that bell notification button. Thank you so much for watching, as always, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.